Okay, now we are going to count the stars and then write the number to tell how many stars. So let's look at number 1. How many stars do we see here in number 1? Let's count. 1. So we see 1 star in number 1. So now we're going to trace the number to write 1. You see right here they have the dotted line that makes 1. So go ahead and trace those dots. And that makes the number 1. Alright, let's look at number 2. How many stars do we have here? 1, 2. So now we're going to write the number 2. Trace those dots. And now we have the number 2. Okay, now look at number 3. Let's count our stars. 1, 2, 3. Trace the 3. So we have 3 stars. Good job. Alright, go to the next page. Okay, now on number 4, we have to count the object and then write the number. So we see 1, and we're going to write the number 1. Let's trace the dots again. And then you have to write a 1 all by yourself. So just go straight down. And then again, straight down. Alright, look at number 5. How many do we have here? Let's count. 1, 2. So now we're going to trace the number 2. Alright, now do number 2 again. Up and around and down and across. One more time. Up and around and down and across. Alright, pause the video and try number 6 and 7 by yourself and then press play to check your answers. So do number 6 and 7. Okay, for number 6, you should have counted 3 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, and then write the number 3 just like I did. And for number 7, we had 1 smiley face. So you had to write the 1. Alright, turn the page. So now for numbers 8 through 10, it wants you to use counters to make the number. But if you're at home, you can just draw circles. So draw circles to make the number, and then draw circles to represent the number. So, for instance, if you have the number 2, you will use 2 counters to make the number, or draw 2 circles filled in, and then draw 2 circles to represent the number 2. And then for number 11, you can draw 1, 2, or 3 stars. It's your choice, so 1, 2, or 3. And then practice writing the number that tells how many stars that you drew. So you can draw 3 stars, but then you'll have to write the number 3 right here. So again, for number 8 through 10, you will draw like a circle filled in like a dot, and then circles. And then for number 11, you'll draw stars and then practice writing the number. When you're finished, take a picture and upload it. Thank you!